So we got out the property today, and there was an Amish carriage one of the workers had brought in, and there's his horse in the background. He kind of brought it over into the woods and tied him up and brought his own hay for him so that he could sit there and relax and enjoy the day while his master was busy at work. Here's another view of the horse. You can kind of see him in the background. I'm going to pan to the right, and that's going to show the work area in the back, drive going in, and then in the background where the barn is going to go. In the foreground there is some of the steel that's going to be going up on the building. And now this is looking down at the street from the edge of the woods. There's the carriage. The Bobcat was brought in today. He was using it to move gravel around, but he's also got an auger ready to attach to that Bobcat, and he's going to be using that to drill the holes for the pole barn. Also had a nice surprise today. We went down and talked to our friends at Yoder, and we decided to go ahead and put a lean-to on the building that's going to be 40 feet by 10 feet. And so that's going to be a nice addition and really finish off the barn. It'll give it a total width and a 70 feet of space, including the outdoor area that we've added on. Here you see they've got the auger on, and they're starting to drill the holes. This county requires that the holes be deeper than other places in Ohio. I don't have the contract in front of me, so I don't recall what it is. But you can see how deep the auger is, and it's going well down into the shaft. I looked in the holes, and I'm guessing they have to be at least 4 feet deep. Fortunately, the soil there is pretty good soil for digging, so that they have to do some hand digging afterwards, but drilling the holes really went surprisingly fast. It was a good piece of equipment. It's well matched for the area. It's been so wet in the past. It was nice to have some dry weather for a change, and have everybody working and feeling good about it. It was a nice cool day. It was like 53 degrees. Here you can see one of the corners of the building where they have it staked out. Every corner, of course, is done like that. Also, the spray paint that you see on the dirt there marks off where each of the garage doors is going to be. And then down at the back there, I don't know if you can see one of the other stakes. That's the other part of the front of the barn. And then one of the fellows in the background there, he's standing at the other far corner from where I'm at. A lot of work was being done today, finishing the driveway that goes in and out of the barn. It's a massive driveway, and it's probably at least 200 feet in and then 200 feet out. And it's being used with a black membrane as a base for all the gravel. And so far it seems to be working out real well. You can see in the back where the barn's going to be because they're still core drilling the holes back there. So this is right where you make the turn to go in. Here he is putting some more gravel down. Continue to put in the drive, and the guys that are doing the core drilling, the driveway, it's all part of the same company, and likely it'll be the same people that do drilling of the wells and things like that. And it's very possible that this builder will be the one that constructs houses on the land also. We really like to do business with local people. This builder is only about 2 miles down the street from us, and the guys doing the driveway is the next town over. So whenever we can, we try to give the business to local people, and everybody knows everybody in the country, and people take pride in what they do, and if they don't do a good job, everybody knows who did it. So it's just a good way of people helping out people, and we really enjoy doing that and being able to work with people. It's so much different working out in the country than working in a suburban type of area. I snuck back after dinner tonight and took a picture of all the holes You can see they got the string going pretty much right down the center of all of them, and then the poles, the laminated poles that are going to go in, are sitting right there in the middle, so that they're ready to start lifting them, putting them down tomorrow morning. Hopefully we'll get it all done.